Okay, in this section we're going to talk about annuities. Annuities are near and dear to my heart. I've been working with them for over 25 years. Some people say, well, annuities are bad. Well, that's not true. Annuities are not bad. They do things that no other product can do. But here's the problem. There are some bad annuities out there. So I'm not going to be talking a lot about the bad ones. I say stay away from them. I'm going to talk about the good ones. What is an annuity anyway? An annuity is nothing more than a contract between a client and an insurance company that provides tax-deferred growth and guaranteed income for life. That's what it is. There are really two types of annuities, a deferred annuity and an immediate annuity. That's it. There's really only two types. Annuities can minimize your taxes. They can provide you guaranteed income for life. In a variable annuity, you can have diversification among various asset classes. They can help you keep up with inflation, they can protect your principal, and they can provide a legacy for your beneficiaries. For younger workers, maybe between the ages of 30 and 50, they're great for retirement accumulation, especially in funds that are already set aside for retirement, like IRAs. They can be a great place for those vehicles. For people approaching retirement, say 50 to 65, we call it the income soon market. They can fit right there, and we'll show you how to work it with those people. The newly retired, people who are in their 60s, it can provide guaranteed income. It can still provide them some growth and diversification, yet with some safety. And with people who are well into their retirement, I'll share with you the secret of mortality credits, guaranteed lifetime income, and some still want to have a diversified portfolio, but they want to have some guarantees under that portfolio, and that's what an annuity can do. Now, with deferred annuities, there's two types, fixed and variable. A fixed account is a guaranteed account. Every day it's worth more than it was the day before. With a variable account, you're allowed to invest in multiple funds, but the earnings grow tax deferred. And none of the earnings count towards the taxation of Social Security benefits, until you take money out. So the only time there's a taxable event or when things count is when you actually take money out of the policy. And there's a death benefit that's paid directly to a client's named beneficiary, avoids probate, and any of the costs or any of the privacy that you would give up in a probate process, it pays directly to a beneficiary. And I'm going to share with you some very good ways that people use that as well. I think many people underestimate the power of tax-deferred accumulation, that you can accumulate far more money over time using the power of tax deferral, and that even when you pay your taxes, you've got more than if you would have paid your taxes each year as you go. Some of the benefits of fixed annuities: safety. The principal and interest are guaranteed by the insurance company. The fixed interest rate protects the clients from the ups and downs of equity market fluctuations. You normally get a choice of initial rate selection guarantee periods, rate guarantee periods, and then you've got the tax-deferred accumulation as well. Many times you have access to money through a 10% withdrawal window. Some companies have a gain window that any of the gains you can take out without a penalty. You can turn these contracts into income for life. Some of the fixed indexed annuities, and I'll have a section on indexed annuities, have guaranteed living benefit riders or guaranteed withdrawal benefit riders that can provide additional income for life. There can even be extra money for the beneficiaries to help cover the taxes. Some companies offer a rider that you can buy that will actually help pay the taxes for your beneficiaries when they receive it.